Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Kohler shower valve is probably one of the most important components in your shower, but often overlooked. Today, we're diving deep into the world of shower valves, specifically focusing on the best from Kohler. We'll explore what makes these valves stand out, from their innovative features to their reliable performance, ensuring you get the perfect shower experience every time. Get ready to upgrade your shower with the best valve on the market. Number 5. Kohler 8304K NA Rite-Temp Shower Valve Kit. This kit includes a shower system valve body with 1-2 universal NPT and direct sweat inlets and outlets. It provides 5 GPM, 18.9 LPM, and a maximum flow rate of 45 psi. This ensures a consistent and comfortable shower experience. The single lever design allows for easy temperature regulation and anti-scald protection. It cycles from off through cold to hot, giving you full control. It also features an adjustable high-temperature limit stop. The shower valve body is made from forged desinsification-resistant brass, ensuring long-term reliability. The reversible cartridge design simplifies installation, whether standard, back-to-back, or thin wall. This makes it easy to install. Please note that this shower faucet valve body requires a separate valve shower trim kit to complete the installation. Choose a Kohler shower trim kit to complement this valve. This will give you a complete shower system. This Kohler shower valve kit meets ASME A112.18.1 CSA B125.1 and ASSE 1016 ASME A112.1016 CSA B125.16 standards. This means it meets the highest safety and performance standards. You can be confident in its quality. What we like. This valve kit offers pressure balancing technology, ensuring a consistent water temperature even with fluctuating water pressure. It's also designed for easy installation with a reversible cartridge. If you are looking for a reliable and safe shower experience, this is a great choice. What people say. Works well with non-Kohler metal shower head and Kohler square metal handle metal used with metal. Easy to install and easy to adjust water temperature. Thermostatic action works well to adjust water temperature. Number 4. Kohler GP876851 Mixer Cap and Pressure Balancing Unit Kit. This is the GP876851 kit, designed to solve your shower problems. It includes everything you need to restore your shower's performance. It's a reliable solution for a better shower experience. The kit comes with the GP800820 cartridge and the GP77759 mixer cap. These components work together to ensure optimal water pressure and temperature control. They are essential for a properly functioning shower. This kit is compatible with Kohler Shower Valve K304 and K11748 platforms. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your existing Kohler shower system. This ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. The GP876851 kit controls water pressure and adjusts temperature. It addresses common issues like leaks and unstable hot and cold water. This ensures a consistent and comfortable shower every time. Before installing, clean the internal impurities with sandpaper. Lubricate all O-rings to ensure a proper seal. Following these steps will help you get the best performance from it. What we like. This kit includes a mixer cap and pressure balancing unit, which can solve leaks and unstable hot and cold water problems. It's compatible with specific Kohler shower valve platforms. If you are experiencing issues with your current Kohler shower valve, this kit might be the perfect solution. What people say. These parts are compatible replacement parts for the Elliston model #72783 CP Shower Kit, K304, by Kohler. The kit comes with everything you will need, except the tools. I replaced both the cartridge and the PBU. Water works great. No leaks. Number 3. Kohler Devonshire Rite-Temp Valve Trim with Lever Handle. This is the Kohler Devonshire Valve Trim. It features a sleek design with a metal lever handle. The handle controls both the water flow and temperature. The product includes an ADA-compliant metal lever handle. This makes it accessible and easy to use for everyone. It's designed with user convenience in mind. With a single handle, you can easily control the water. It simplifies the process of adjusting both the water flow and the temperature. This is a convenient feature. Made with premium materials, this trim ensures reliability and durability. The metal handle is built to last and resist wear and tear. It's a quality product. The Kohler finishes are designed to resist corrosion and tarnishing. This helps maintain its appearance over time. This ensures it looks great for years to come. This trim set complements the Devonshire faucet and accessory collections. It requires a valve to complete the installation. This allows you to create a cohesive bathroom design. What we like. This trim features an ADA-compliant metal lever handle for ease of use. The single handle controls both on-off activation and temperature setting. If you value accessibility and a sleek design, this trim set is a great option. What people say. Easy to install. Fit well, still working months later. Came with both adapters for the main Kohler valve bodies. Number 2. Kohler Pitch Rite-Temp Valve Trim, Matte Black. Introducing the Kohler Pitch Rite-Temp Valve Trim. This innovative trim utilizes pressure balancing diaphragm technology to maintain a consistent water temperature, ensuring a comfortable shower experience. It keeps the outlet temperature within ±3 degrees Fahrenheit during pressure changes. Safety is paramount, and this trim provides automatic anti-scald protection. This feature regulates the water temperature, preventing sudden spikes in heat that could cause discomfort or injury. It gives you peace of mind while you shower. The single-handle design offers effortless control over both water flow and temperature. With a simple movement, you can adjust the water to your preferred setting. It's designed for ease of use and convenience. Featuring an ADA-compliant metal lever handle, this trim is designed for accessibility and ease of use for everyone. The premium materials ensure reliability and durability. It's built to last and provide years of dependable service. Please note that this is a trim only and requires a valve, K8300, K8304, or K8305, and a shower head, sold separately, to complete the installation. Once installed, it will transform your shower experience. Get yours today. What we like. This trim uses pressure balancing diaphragm technology to maintain a consistent outlet temperature. It also provides automatic anti-scald protection. If you like a modern aesthetic and prioritize safety, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to install with existing valve as long as you have the proper kit for this model. Product is very good quality, easy to install, and is easy to use. The valve is metal and looks and works nice. Number 1. VENZA 1HPB VLV FCT Trim. This product is covered by Kohler's limited lifetime faucet warranty, ensuring its quality and your peace of mind. It's a testament to the brand's commitment to durability and customer satisfaction. Built with metal, this faucet trim is designed for lasting durability and dependable performance. The robust construction ensures it can withstand daily use and maintain its functionality over time. The premier finishing process provides a finish that resists corrosion and tarnishing. This means the product will maintain its aesthetic appeal and functionality, even with everyday use. This trim seamlessly coordinates with other products from the VENZA line. It allows you to create a cohesive and stylish look throughout your bathroom or kitchen. It is a great choice for your home. You will be satisfied with it. What we like. This trim is constructed of metal, ensuring durability and dependability. The premier finishing process resists corrosion and tarnishing. If you are looking for a long-lasting and stylish shower trim, this is a great choice. What people say. The valve is well made and functions flawlessly. The design is sleek and modern. Installation was straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.